What's up, viewers? So bago tayo mag-start ng lesson natin sa statics of rigid bodies, pasadahan muna natin yung course outline and course description of the subject para may idea kayo kung ano yung magiging mga upcoming lessons natin for the whole semester. So, since ang fina-follow natin ay yung CHED curriculum, so kahit anong school kayo, so pare-pareho lang ito. Pareho lang sa ituturo sa school nyo. Since galing ito sa latest CHED memorandum or CHED curriculum. So, simulan na natin. So, course description. So, Statics of Rigid Bodies is a basic engineering science course of solid mechanics dealing with bodies that are or remain at rest. It is designed to provide fundamental concepts about forces, moments, and couples and their systems. The concept of resultants and equilibrium of forces and moments is utilized to enable solution of a statically determinate problem. So we are only dealing with objects at rest. Course objective. So at the end of the course, the student must be able to 1. Understand the concepts of forces and moments of forces. Apply the principles of static equilibrium from the knowledge of resultant forces and moments. Number 3. Relate the course to other engineering situations that involve the concepts of forces and moments of forces. So, eto na yung course outline natin. So, ito yung di-discuss natin sa mga upcoming uploads. So, part 1, so we have the fundamental concepts. So, under this are the following. So, force and their characteristics, external and internal effects of forces, force systems. So, we have the concurrent, non-concurrent, parallel, non-concurrent, non-parallel, coplanar, and spatial force systems. Components of a force, resolution of forces into planar and spatial moments. Moment of a force, then we have vector analysis, addition, subtraction, and multiplication of vectors. We also have for part 2, resultant of force system. So resultant of coplanar force, the couple, and its characteristics, resultant of spatial force systems. Number 3, we have equilibrium. So, under equilibrium are free body diagrams, equations of equilibrium for a coplanar concurrent force system, equilibrium of bodies acted upon by 2 to 3 forces. So, we also have equilibrium of bodies acted upon by coplanar non-concurrent force system, equilibrium of bodies acted upon by spatial concurrent force system, equilibrium of bodies acted upon by spatial parallel force system. We also have equilibrium of bodies acted upon by non-spatial non-concurrent force system. So, part 4 is the analysis of structures. So, dito, ito yung under niya, types of elementary structures, nature of supports and their reactions, structural stability and instability, static indeterminacy of structures, external and internal, analysis of plane trusses, method of joints, method of sections, which is nandun na sa playlist natin, analysis of pin jointed frames, method of members. We also have friction, so dry friction and coefficient of friction, angle of friction, application of friction in machine elements, wedges, square-threaded screws, belt friction, equilibrium of forces involving friction. Number 6, we have centroids and centers of gravity. So, under nito, center of gravity of a two-dimensional body, flat plate, determination of centroids by integration, centroids of composite bodies, approximation. Then we have the moment of inertia, product of inertia. So we have under it moment of inertia, area moment of inertia by integration, transfer formula for moment of inertia, polar moment of inertia, radius of gyration, moment of inertia for composite sections, product of inertia, transfer formula for product of inertia.